What's up, guys? I'm back. Do y'all remember this wig? If you don't, this wig I dyed it like 4 times. Not dyed, but actually bleached, because it wasn't getting the color I wanted to be. So I just kept bleaching it, and I over processed this hair, so it was rough and dry. But then I turned it into this. If you want to see how I turned that rough over bleached hair into this right here, keep on watching. So in my Influencer voxbox this month, I received the Loreal Elvive Total Repair 5 Repair Balm. I wanted to see if it would work on this wig, so I decided to try it out. It says it's a rinse out hair mask that repairs up to 1 year of damage to hair smoothness in one use. It's both powerful and luxurious. This hair treatment for damaged hair instantly repairs the 5 signs of damage: split ends, weakness, roughness, dullness, and dehydration. So I'm going to put this thick creamy hair mask to the test. This is the hair after I washed and conditioned it using the Shimmer Light shampoo and conditioner. So after that, I went in with the hair mask, and here you see me just coating the hair. I want to make sure the hair has a generous amount throughout the hair. So I made sure I got the ends, even though I had planned on cutting the hair. I just didn't know how short, so I wanted to make sure I got it all throughout the wig. So after I got it all coated how I wanted, I put it in a plastic bag and I tied the bag and I went to work. So this sat in this plastic bag for 10 hours. So this is the hair after it air dried and I flat ironed it. I didn't put any additional product on the hair, so you can see that it is silky and it is flowy. So now I decided that I wanted to cut the hair, so I am putting in these hair ties to measure where I'm going to cut it. I'm always cutting up some weave. This wig cost me $200, but I wanted to cut it, so it's cut. Here I'm going to cut some more of the back. As you see, it's still too long. Yeah, I'm not a professional, so do not be coming for me in the comments. I'm just doing what I can. So here I'm going to bump the ends a little bit, make them look a little better. I kind of like them straight, but I decided to bump them anyway. And y'all, look at this hair. So I don't know. Well, the hair was rough, so obviously the hair mask did something. So I would say go ahead and purchase this hair mask and try it out. I seen that it's only $5.99, so I think it's worth a try because this hair feels very silky after all the bleaching I've done to it. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye, until next time.